I'm not gonna lie, guys. Sometimes after you do the deed, you wanna be able to go a second round. Maybe your partner wants to engage with you. Maybe you might have bust too quick and you're feeling a little bit embarrassed and she's not quite finished yet, so she wants you to go again. And you might not just have it in you. Nothing to be ashamed about, nothing to be embarrassed by. But in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys 3 natural supplements that have proven results to help men shorter their refractory period. Refractory period is basically the period that it takes for you to bounce back to go a second round after you ejaculate. These 3 supplements will help shorten that time so you're able to go round 2 quicker than ever. And stick around to the end of the video because I'm gonna give you a 4th bonus thing that actually will help shorten this. You don't wanna miss out. The first supplement, this is one of my all-time favorite supplements, guys, and it's actually Tribulus. Tribulus is dope because it also helps you last longer. A lot of times, again, we're all guilty of it. Sometimes you're excited and you just bust a little bit too quick. So Tribulus has been really beneficial for me in just helping me last longer. But to shorten the refractory period, a lot of it is based around prolactin. You wanna safely lower levels of prolactin, and that actually helps shorten your refractory period. And Tribulus does have some type of mechanism at play that does help affect your prolactin. So this would be the first supplement, and anecdotally, I've used this and would recommend it. The second supplement is one I haven't personally tried, but it's called P5P. It's basically a form of B6 that you can actually ingest. So B6 by itself has some type of toxicity aspect to it, so you can't just buy like a B6 supplement and ingest it. But P5P is actually a version that we humans can ingest, and this would probably be the best one on this list, if I'm being honest. From my research between Reddit, other YouTubers like FitX Fearless just mentioned it in his last video. I'll make a full review once I do try it out for myself, but supposedly the suggested dose is 200 milligrams daily, and that should help lower your prolactin, which should help you lower your refractory period. So that's probably the top one in this list, honestly. The third supplement, this one I've actually used and I've made a couple videos on it. You guys might have seen on my channel because this supplement actually can help increase your size down there. This is actually my favorite supplement for increasing your size, I just remembered, but it's ginkgo biloba. And it's funny because this supplement doesn't, as far as I know, it doesn't act on prolactin levels at all. But when I was searching in Reddit about natural supplements that do help decrease your refractory period, a lot of people kept saying ginkgo, ginkgo, ginkgo. Now, I wasn't able to use ginkgo long-term because it is a cholinergic supplement, and I'm one of the people that are really sensitive to choline. So if I take a supplement that is a cholinergic, I actually get depressed, I get anhedonia, depersonalization, the whole 9. So I wasn't able to use it long-term enough, but maybe you guys could try it. Try using ginkgo because it might help lower your refractory period. And if it doesn't, it does help with blood flow a lot down there, which actually increases your size. I have a whole nother video on it. I'll link it down below for you. And for sticking around to the end, I'll give you guys a bonus one. Just a little warning, I probably wouldn't use this personally, but it's something called cabergoline. It's actually a form of like a steroid or a PED, if you guys know what that is. A lot of people like corn stars and stuff use it because it does help shorten your refractory period. Now, it's a dopamine promoter and it lowers high levels of prolactin in the blood. But from what I've seen online, this one's actually very dangerous. Again, it's called cabergoline, but you more than likely want to stay away from it unless you actually have gotten tested and it's just proven that you have super high prolactin levels and your doctor places you on this. But that's like the pharmaceutical version. The first 3 supplements are all natural, and by that's the route that I always recommend that people go with, just because it'll have less of a negative effect on your body. Comment down below, have you guys noticed any of these supplements helping you lower your refractory period? If you guys are bold, even comment down below, how long does it take for you to go round 2? I'll put it out there, like guys, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I can do quick, like maybe 30 minutes if I'm in the mood, but other times it might take a brother like 6 hours to really get back there again. So it really all depends. Comment down below what it is for you. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button because I will be doing a full review on that P5P supplement, so you guys don't want to miss out when that drops. In the meantime, check out this video on ginkgo biloba, the 3rd supplement that I told you about that helps you increase your size. It's very interesting. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon.